today's video, I'm going to take you through how to use Deriv affiliate marketing tools, and that is getting free ebooks to give to your clients. Not only that, you can use direct links to drive your traffic to specific Deriv products and trading platforms, not the general Deriv homepage you are used of. So let me log in real quick so that we can go together. If you don't have an affiliate account and you wish to make money by promoting Deriv products, you will have to first sign up or create an affiliate account. So here I am. If you are using a PC, this is how the dashboard looks like. Now go to the marketing section. You will see this option on the left where we have custom media, banners, dedicated emails, HTMLs to those with the website, then PDFs, text ads, YouTube video, direct links. But my main focus today will be on PDFs and direct links because that's what you basically need to thrive as an affiliate marketer for Deriv. The first ebook here is for affiliate marketers, which is a good and knowledge-based PDF that will give Deriv affiliates master the affiliate marketing game. If you go to get media code, you will be able to download the free ebook, and if I click on download, it will be automatically added to my PC. Remember, as an affiliate, you need to be equipped with the right knowledge, and this ebook will shed light on your way to affiliate marketing. Not only that, if you are a master affiliate like me, this free ebook will add value to your sub affiliates. Another free ebook is this one that shows you how to calculate your affiliate commissions. You can as well go to get media codes and download it. If we scroll down here where it says something for every trader, go to get media, then landing page. You can change this landing page to any other page of your choice. I want to change it to any free ebook landing page so that once your clients click on that affiliate link, they will be able to download a free ebook. But before they download, they must first enter their email address or sign up with an email to download it. By doing so, they will have opened a demo account, and that sign up will be counted on you. If they go ahead and create a real account and start trading, you will earn commissions. For example, if I select this crypto ebook, EN meaning in English, it will appear here as our landing page, and all you have to do is copy this landing page URL as your affiliate link. Let me paste and open it in a new tab to show you how the page looks like. You can see this is how the ebook looks like, and the clients have to first enter their email to download this free ebook, and such sign up account will be counted on you as your lead. Let's go and look at another one. I'm looking at another free ebook. Okay, you can see it is here. The ebook is a Forex ebook in English, and if you click on it, you can see it is selected as our landing page. And you can as well copy this landing page URL as your affiliate link. Let me paste it in another tab also. And before your clients download it, they will have to create a demo account by entering their email. Okay, you can see this is the free ebook I'm talking about that you can give to your clients. So we have seen 2 ebooks for Forex traders that you can give to your clients, for example, for IB program or as an affiliate. Then you have also seen 2 affiliate program ebooks. The one how to create your commissions. This is the ebook I'm talking about as an affiliate. Another one how to learn affiliate marketing, a free ebook. You can as well download these 2, and the other 2, all of them are for free ebooks. You can use them to be giving to your clients using that affiliate link, or what we are calling landing page URL. I hope you were able to understand that one. Then let's go to the second part, which is rather direct links. You click here on direct links. All right, so when you scroll down, you are going to see we have 105 links that you can use. But let me first explain them. Number one, this is CTrader, which is copy trader homepage in English. EN is English. So that means if you are promoting copy trading services of Deriv, because you know Deriv has copy trading, you can click here, and once you click here, you will be taken to this page. All you have to do is to copy this landing page URL. Just click on it, right click and copy, and you can again come back. First remove this one, you can come here to the new tab, right, and paste it here. If I hit enter, you are going to see. Let's wait. All right, this is the copy trading dashboard. And for clients, if you are promoting copy trading, let me tell you, to those ones who don't know what copy trading is. Copy trading is when you can provide a strategy for expert traders and investors, or novice traders will invest in you. In other words, they will be copying your strategies and will be getting a certain commissions, actually usually over 30%. Yes, 30% of the profits you make from their investment. And if you are also a novice trader, that means you can be copying trades from experts. So you can see that those ones who are providing free strategies who can be trading for you, right? And if you also know how to trade, you can be giving your strategy or trading for your investors as you are getting your return. In other words, your profits, your 30%. Okay, so if you want to promote that service, or you have a video, you have written a blog, or you want to promote copy trading services from Deriv, you can use or get your direct link, affiliate link, and you give it or share it to your audience or clients. Okay, I hope that is clear. Let's get back. Now that was copy trading. This is the other crypto ebook. You can as well get it from here, direct link. You click on it and you copy this landing page URL. Okay, so let's continue. Now this is Dbot, Deriv bot. If you want to promote Deriv bots, okay, to your clients, how to use bots in trading, this is your link. This is where you are going to find your link. Then this one of Dbot, ESITPLPTLRUVI, those are different languages, because you remember that Deriv actually works in different countries, and if you are targeting a specific audience from a specific country who speak a different language, then you can as well be using this one. For example, like ZHCN is China. Okay, so if you are targeting the audience from China, you can be using these services. The same applies when we go to Deriv MT5. This EN is English. If you want to drive your clients to download the Deriv MT5 platform, you can click here, get your direct link. This is the landing page URL. Let me just click on it and I copy, and you see if I open a new tab, you are able to direct your clients to download an MT5 platform. So let's see. All right, you can see this is Deriv MT5. You can create an account, try for free. Okay, if you are a new client, if you are new to Deriv, and you can as well download it from here. Okay, and that one will be counted on your clients. Let's continue. That was in the English, Deriv MT5, but you can as well also get it in different languages. Okay, all these are like here, it's a different language, here it's a different language, and you can be testing them in your free time. Then the trader, this is another new Deriv platform. English, if you want to promote Deriv trader in English, you can as well click on it, get your direct link and share it to your clients. But what is the Deriv trader? What a Deriv trader? Deriv trader is where you're going to see the options. For example, you're going to see the multipliers, the accumulators, you're going to see the rise and fall, you are going to see the vanilla, the depots, the ups and downs, odd and even, over and under. Okay, all those are traded on Deriv trader. Mainly the options market, you are going to find them on Deriv trader, and that is the platform. This is the platform, and you can see what I was saying. This is multipliers, options, accumulators, all these kind of products. You are going to find them on Deriv trader. So if you have been watching YouTube videos and you are wondering where to find all these products, it is on Deriv trader. And by the way, if you're watching this video and you're a trader, you don't know how to get these products I'm mentioning, like the accumulators, like the multipliers, the options, okay, the over and under, the digits trading, then the rise and fall, all of those, you can find them right on this platform, okay? And if you're an affiliate, then this is the direct link for that. Let me go to another one. Let me show you another one. Let's scroll down. If you want to drive your clients to Deriv blog so that they can learn everything about Deriv, because Deriv has a lot of articles explaining about their products, you can as well use this link to drive your clients to Deriv. The problem or the question is, how do you earn from this? If they are sensitized, if they are educated by this blog, by these articles, they can take a decision of starting to trade. They can start trading when they are aware of or when they know how to do it. Okay, so as I told you, the first thing you need to do is to give value to your client, and the metrics will follow. We also have Deriv Go. You can do the same. I hope for now you know how to get your affiliate direct link to any page. Now Deriv sub-affiliate partner, that means you are a Deriv master affiliate inviting other affiliates under you, where you will be earning 20% commission on their earnings. Of course, paid by Deriv, not cut from your affiliate direct earnings. Therefore, these affiliates are called sub-affiliates, and here is where you find your affiliate link to share to them. If your target audience are English speakers, then consider the option of Deriv sub-affiliate partner page English. Let me open it in another tab and see how the home page looks like. By the way, if you are not yet a Deriv affiliate, you can begin from here. To create your affiliate account, I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can start your journey of making more money with the Deriv affiliate program. If you see these other sub-affiliate links, that means they are in different languages, and that works perfectly if you are targeting a specific audience that speak a different language apart from English. E.g., we have China, we have France, among others, right? So this is Deriv X, a renewed platform which has been integrated with TradingView, and by promoting Deriv X, you must be an introducing broker. If you click here, you can copy your landing page URL, which is your affiliate link. As usual, let me paste it in a new tab to show you how it looks like. Here it is. You can see how it looks like. We're almost winding up. Let me select this affiliate link for deriv.com homepage, English. Most of you are familiar with, but when I first applied for the Deriv affiliate program, this is the link I was given, and I remember I couldn't differentiate the three Deriv affiliate programs. And I think some of you are still aware of the same link, and that's what you are using. By the way, I made a whole video about these three Deriv affiliate programs, so be sure to check it out and differentiate introducing broker, affiliate, and master affiliate. This Deriv homepage link will drive your audience to the general Deriv homepage. And remember, you need to direct them to a specific Deriv product page. Otherwise, they may get lost on what to do. Deriv has a variety of products like this is the general homepage. And Deriv X, this is for sub-affiliates. This is for Deriv Trader. And this is Deriv MT5 platform and much more. Then this is Deriv direct signups. As you can hear it in layman's language, this will direct your audience to a Deriv page where they will have to sign up with their email address. For example, let me copy the link and I show you how it looks like. This is it. The moment they click on the Deriv direct sign up link, indeed they have to sign up before seeing anything. If you are promoting multipliers, then the affiliate link is also here. If I paste it in a new tab, this is the page for multipliers, and if I scroll down, you can see the different types of options are also on multipliers homepage. The last one is this free stock ebook. If you want to promote stock trading, Deriv has got you covered. Copy the link and paste it in a new tab to see what your audience are going to get. This is the free stock ebook that I think can be beneficial to your stock traders. That's it. I believe with these tools at your fingertips, something is going to change in your Deriv affiliate journey. Comment down below for any question, recommendation, or anything. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, if you have found value in this video, do me a favor to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. Until next time, keep winning.